If you're dreaming of a bob but the thought of lopsided curls makes you sweat, you're in the right place. I'm giving you the exact map for your 4B/4C hair so you can cut with confidence. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to set down those scissors without setting yourself up for heartbreak. Ready? Let's get into it. First, never cut your hair shrunken. We're working on clean, dry, and stretched hair. To see your true length, a twist out or braid out is perfect. You'll need 4 clips, a comb, a hand mirror, and sharp hair cutting shears. Please, no kitchen scissors. They will disrespect your ends. Part your hair into 4 quadrants. In one back quadrant, create a small horizontal section at the nape of your neck. This is your master guideline, so be precise. Comb it down with no tension, hold the shears horizontally, and snip a clean line. This first cut determines everything. Release the next ½ inch slice of hair, comb it over your guide, and cut to match. Keep doing this until the 2 back sections are done. Checking in your mirror to make sure it's even. Now for the front. Take a section and comb it towards your cut hair in the back. To get that soft A-line that frames your face, angle your fingers down towards your chin before you cut. Repeat on the other side. Bring both front pieces together under your chin to check for symmetry. Take your time here, take a breath. The hardest part is over. If you're feeling empowered right now, hit that like button so other sisters can find this guide. And if you've already made the first snip, drop a done in the comments below. Let's perfect the shape. For soft, face framing pieces, take a small triangle of hair at your part, comb it forward, and snip where you want the curls to fall. Use a light touch. Now, hunt for any stragglers. Shake your hair out and snip any rogue curls that hang too long. Time for the reveal. To seal in moisture without the crunch, I'm using the Ocean View Pomade. Rub it between your palms and scrunch it into your ends. The Ocean View brush is perfect for getting everything into place. Shake it out and let your new bob fall into its shape. It should move as one beautiful, healthy unit. If you love this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to more. No fear, natural hair wins.